Good morning from the Head Owner's Garage. This little video, I picked up some cranberry red leather seats for my Jaguar X-Type project. It's only the rear bench that I was able to get hold of to start with. I have got a plan to get the front seats sorted out. So essentially, these were stored in my friend's yard in his workshop for many years. I don't know how long they've been there, but they've been there quite a long time. And he very kindly let me have them. So I brought them home and I want to clean them up. So you might need a little bit of a stronger stomach with some of this stuff, because where these seats have been sitting, they were quite mouldy. The rear bench itself is not too bad. That's come up really well, and that came up really well really quickly. The rear seat back, however, was a bit more involved, and what I shouldn't have done was clean this in my kitchen on my kitchen worktop, because it was almost Christmas by the time that I filmed this part of what I was doing as well. So the house was a mess. We had builders in, we had Christmas tree presents, stuff everywhere, trying to get the house organised, and the last thing you need is me with my big mouldy red seats cleaning it. But I did it anyway, so yeah, here we go. To start with, I am using a bucket of warm water with some APC, or all-purpose cleaner, and a microfiber cloth. This will remove the dirt and grime from the leather seat. I'm gently wiping it down, trying not to saturate the leather too much. I don't want it soaking through the leather into the foam base. Once I've cleaned it with the detergent, I'm moving on to a leather brush with some Furniture Clinic leather cleaner. This gives the seat a deep clean, getting into the creases and really starting to clean that red leather and bring the colour back. Lastly, I'm using the Furniture Clinic leather conditioner. This will help to revive the leather and protect it, as well as restoring the leather smell and feel. It really does bring the seat back to life again. So look at the state of this. This is a cranberry leather rear seat back. This has been stored for God knows how long, but it's in a bit of a grubby way. Yeah. I don't even want to touch that at the moment. I'll pull that armrest down. Look at that. Whoa. That is horrendous. That is disgusting. Mouldy. But I reckon we can clean this up and make this really nice once again. Let's do it. Oh, the leather needs a really good clean. You can see in that armrest cover there, look at the mould in there. That is absolutely disgusting. And in there, look at that. Well, the back of the foam looks okay, so I think clean these leathers up, give these a good deep clean. We should be able to save this. That is nasty. But again, I think it's just surface. So we'll clean that all off. Hopefully that will look good. So a little progress shot so far of what we've cleaned on the seat. Look at that armrest now. That's cleaned itself with warm soapy water. I want to get it clean first, and then after that I'm going to get a leather cleaner and a leather brush and really go at it properly and get deep into all these little bits here. But for now, just scrub it clean. See, this side is still disgusting and dirty. It is coming up nice already. It's just wet there. I'll keep it inside now as well, as long as I can to keep it. Hopefully stop anything growing back on it. I think it's just surface, so I think it will be fine. That's cleaned up alright at the moment. It still needs a bit more work. We need to just get in here. It's quite grim in there before, still not very clean. I'll get that cleaned and looking good. From the leather seat. That's disgusting, isn't it? Now ideally don't do this in your kitchen. This seat obviously had lots of mould on it, it was dirty, it was filthy. I don't know what was in it from the time it's been sat. So really you want to do it where you've got plenty of ventilation, and you should wear gloves and a mask really. Don't do what I do. But yeah, this seat looks fantastic now, it's cleaned up so well. I'm so pleased I was able to save it. It smells nice, it feels good. The leather is actually really good condition. It's got a real nice feel to it, it's got a good look to it. It looks as good as new. So yeah, it's got a whole new lease of life now, which is fantastic. I hope you enjoyed watching the video, and stay tuned for more Jag stuff. There's plenty of stuff to do on this old X-Type, and I want to get it how I want it, so it's going to be a little bit different. And yeah, I hope you enjoy watching it and seeing how I get on. But this seat looks great. I'm going to keep it warm now, and fingers crossed it stays like this. If it does, I'm going to be really pleased. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.